Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data science in business. We will explore how this powerful field can transform your raw data into actionable insights, guiding your strategic decisions. By understanding customer behavior, optimizing operations, and identifying new opportunities, businesses can achieve remarkable improvements. This approach can lead to a 20% increase in efficiency or a 15% boost in profitability, making it an indispensable tool for modern enterprises. Data science offers numerous key applications across various business functions. Predictive analytics, for instance, can forecast sales trends with up to 90% accuracy, helping you prepare for market shifts. Customer segmentation enables highly personalized marketing campaigns, potentially increasing conversion rates by 10 to 20%. Furthermore, operational optimization can reduce costs by 15% through efficient resource allocation, while robust risk assessment models protect your business from unforeseen challenges. Implementing data science effectively requires a structured approach. First, clearly define your business objectives, for example, aiming for a 5% reduction in customer churn. Next, gather and meticulously clean your data, ensuring its quality for accurate analysis. Then, develop and train robust machine learning models, perhaps achieving an 85% prediction accuracy. Finally, deploy these models into your operational systems and establish a continuous monitoring process to ensure sustained performance and iterative enhancements. Measuring the success of your data science initiatives is crucial. Track key performance indicators like return on investment, aiming for a 3-to-1 return, and monitor improvements in customer satisfaction scores by 10 points. Continuously evaluate the impact on business outcomes to demonstrate tangible value. Looking ahead, embracing emerging trends such as advanced artificial intelligence integration and fostering a data-driven culture will be paramount for maintaining a competitive edge and unlocking even greater value from your data assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.